Welcome back to CAD Station, and in this tutorial we are going to use the surfaces to make this bucket. So let's start. You can see this bucket is made from the sheet metal surface, not the sheet metal, sorry. We use the surfaces. So let's start from the new and the part. And to make the bucket, you can use any plane of these two, front plane or the right plane. It's up to you. I am going to select the front plane, right plane, and a sketch. First of all, I am going to make a vertical line. Just make a rough sketch. Skip. Now this line is going to be horizontal, and okay, wait a minute. Delete this and horizontal line at some angle and like this. Now select this line, and this is going to be for construction. Now smart dimension, this is going to be of 15 mm. This is going to be of 65 mm. This is 5 mm, and the last is going to be of 3.5 mm. Now flit of 2 mm, one here, and one is here, and okay. Again click, and now we are going to move to surfaces, and you have to use the revolved surface just like the revolved boss base. And okay, now the bucket is ready. Select the bottom, sketch, and I'm going to make a circle. This circle is going to be of 23 mm, and Control 7 for isometric view. Again surfaces and extrude surface. This is going to be of 2 mm, and okay. So this is ready. Now Control 7 again for isometric view. The bucket is ready, but I want to make some patterns over the surface here. So for this you have to go to reference geometry plane, and for the reference I'm going to select the right plane at a distance of 35 mm, and okay. Select the plane that you just created here, sketch, line for construction. This line is going to be vertical, yeah, here, vertical here, skip. Now you have to make some circles. Okay, escape smart dimension. First let's mention the dimensions. This is going to be of 3 mm. This is going to be of 4 mm. Distance between these two is 4 mm. From here to here distance is 5 mm, and this circle is also of 5 mm. From here to here find the midpoint. Distance 6 mm. The radius is also the 6 mm. Okay, one more thing, from here to the origin let's make the distance of 4 mm. Right, now from here to here this is 7 mm. You have to just increase 1 mm. This is of 7 mm. Now from here to here distance is 8 mm, and this circle is also of 8 mm. Now escape, Control 8 for isometric to take it to the normal. Now I'm going to delete this circle because it's come on the center. Now again the circle, I'm going to make some circles, 1 and 2. I guess it should be too much, and let's extrude this line. Now smart dimension, from here to here center to center is 9 mm. This is going to be of 9 mm. This is of 10 mm, but I'm going to put from here to here as 10 mm, and I guess it's too much. Now, you can exit a sketch from here, or you can double click on your window, Control 7 for isometric view. Now, we are going to use this curve and the split line. Okay, split line sketch 3 is selected, and for the plane, I'm going to select my surface. And here, keep remember this is selected projection, and okay. Now this is done. We are moving to features, and here you can find the circular pattern. You have to select this split line, okay, and for the axis from here turn this axis on and select the axis. Okay, 5. I'm going to make a pattern of 5, so this is good. Okay, now I'm going to turn this off, hide this plane, and Control 7 for isometric view. Now this time we are going to move again to the surfaces, and you can find the delete face. Select all the circles. Okay, wait. Select one by one. Okay, some more circles remaining here. Okay, I think all circles have been selected here. So I'm going to, okay, Control 7 for isometric view, and this pattern is cut. Now you can see, let me zoom here. We have used the surface, so surfaces, the thickness of surfaces is usually very uh, small. So we are going to use the thicken command here, Control 7 for isometric view. Thicken parameters, I'm going to select this one, and this is 10 mm, 0.35 mm. That's too much. You can check it here. I guess this thickness is okay for me. You can change the thickness as per your use or as per your choice. Now one more thing that we have left is the bottom thickness, so I'm going to select this 0.35 mm. I can increase it as 0.5 mm. And now Control 7 for isometric view. Our bucket is ready. Now we can change its appearance or give them some material. So I'm going to use the plastic. Let's find the plastic here. Here's the plastic and textured. Okay. And from here appearance, I'm going to change the color. Okay, this is, yeah, this is done our tutorial that we have used the surfaces to make this bucket. And I hope you understand the whole tutorial, and if you have any problem, then you can ask me on comment section. I will try to resolve it as soon as possible. And in the last, if you are new to CAD Station, then don't forget to subscribe the CAD Station and like the video. Thank you.